Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome back to the Honey Badger Racing channel. You know, if you've been in RC for any length of time at all, you know what I'm talking about. It's that sickening snap or the feeling of a screw that's just spinning endlessly in that brand new piece of overpriced plastic you just paid for. We spend hundreds, thousands of dollars on plastic, carbon fiber, aluminum, titanium parts for our hobby, but we're still also just kind of guesstimating, how tight those screws are getting. So today, I'm going to show you an inexpensive tool that promises to end all of that guesswork. It's a really cool handheld digital torque screwdriver made by VEVOR. Okay, in this video we're going to see it for the price. This might just be a must-have for your pit bag. Let's dive right in. So for build quality, so what do you get in the box? VEVOR ships this in a pretty decent hard shell case. It's great for throwing in your track bag without worrying too much about the LCD screen getting crushed. Once you're inside, the driver itself comes with a certificate of calibration, small set of bits. First impressions, it's got some heft to it. It weighs 1.7 pounds. So it feels like a real tool, not just a toy. The grip is made of a rubberized TPE material, which is great when your hands are covered in shock oil. The screen is backlit. It's an LCD. We're often working in intense and dimly lit pits, so it's a lifesaver. Let's talk specs. Racers like to talk numbers, right? And in racing, numbers matter. So the range of this unit covers from 2.65 to 70.67 inch-pounds, which is like 0.3 to 8 newton meters, right? And why that matters for RC is most of our M3 screws are into plastic. They want a very low torque, under 1 newton meter. This tool starts low enough to actually be useful in those delicate parts, but still has enough grunt for motor mounts and engine bolts and things like that. So this driver is rated at plus or minus 2%. And we all know in the RC world that consistency is much more important than absolute perfection. If every screw in your car is torqued exactly the same as the next, you can avoid stripping screws and at the same time apply uniform torque where it really matters. Some of the areas where this can be really important are things like differential covers, slipper clutches, motor sensor plates, even wheel nuts. Okay, operation. There are two main modes. There's real-time mode and peak mode. This is where it gets a little bit technical. So these two modes are track, which is real-time, and peak. In track mode, it shows the torque as you apply it. Peak mode just freezes the highest number reached during that session. Me personally, I prefer the preset mode. You can save up to 8 presets. There's a P1 through a P8. You can set P1, for example, for your chassis screws, P2 for metal screws, metal to metal, P3 for your wheel nuts. So when you hit the target torque for that preset, it doesn't click like a traditional mechanical wrench. Instead, you get a progressive beep and a red light. When you hear the solid tone, stop. It's as simple as that. Let me show you. The cooler things about this tool is it's got this 1/4 inch quick disconnect here. So you can use all your MIP tools like that. You can also pick up like 1/4 inch socket adapters, 1/2 inch socket here. To power the unit on, all you really need to do is wake it up. Set your units with the U key, and it cycles back and forth between kilograms per centimeter, newton meters, and then there's inch-pounds there. So if you want to bring it down, say to 3 inch-pounds, just bring her down this way, cycle that down. So now we're at 3 inch-pounds. Got a piece of aluminum here with some screws in it, some bolts in it. I can cycle it up to 3. Very hard to hit that 3 though. Loosen it up. Clear it out. As I start to tighten down. 3.19, it's a very, very small number. Barely tight. So it's kind of hard to hit that by hand. 3.19. Anyway, it's a pretty cool tool. Clear it out, and you can shut it down by holding down the C button. So thanks for watching Honey Badger Racing. If this video or others like it have helped you out in some kind of way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below, and we'll see you at the track. Thanks.